Every great idea begins with a story, a thought, a message, or an experience that deserves to be shared with the world. But turning your words into something beautiful, something professional, can feel impossible. Your words deserve a beautiful ebook, got a story, course, or idea that deserves to be read. Most great ideas never reach readers because creating a professional ebook feels hard. From formatting and design to publishing on Kindle or Amazon, it's easy to get overwhelmed. That's where Ai360Studio agency comes in. We specialize in creating eye-catching, perfectly formatted ebooks that look amazing on every device. At Ai360Studio, we don't just create ebooks, we craft digital experiences that tell your story in style. From vibrant covers that grab attention to elegant layouts that make reading enjoyable, we blend creativity with technology to produce books that stand out and sell. Let Ai360Studio agency design your ebook today. Because a great book isn't just written, it's beautifully created. Click the link below and let's bring your words to life.